What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. In this one, I want to talk about a project that I mentioned about 5 months ago. That project is Shiba Keanu. This is the video here that I made 5 months ago that got 3,500 views. It was a new pre-sale token that honestly I believe could be very, very popular. And when I first made the video, when I first got in contact with them, or even just understanding what they were all about, um, honestly, the name made me laugh a little bit because it's Shiba. It's a mixture of Shiba and Keanu Reeves, which nobody would have like expected for that to happen, right? You're not you wouldn't go down and think about all the cryptocurrencies that have been created and go, this is one that I know 100% the combination needs to be made. You know what I mean? But it's definitely something that screams popularity if you can do one main thing, which is what their mission is all about. They want to get in contact with Keanu Reeves. They even have a $20,000 bounty to anyone who personally can hand over communication or the communication letter to Keanu Reeves and get some sort of a response. And we're going to talk about all the information, the message directly to Keanu Reeves, as well as all the different detail with it. But first, I need you guys to hit that like button. If you can hit the like button, I would greatly appreciate it. Also hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below for Shiba Keanu. I will provide all of those at the top of the description. Now, this is definitely something when we think about this, it does honestly make you giggle a little bit. It makes you laugh about the fact that Shiba Keanu is a real thing, but this community is doing so much to make it that much bigger. Like you think about in the beginning, you have people that laughed at Dogecoin, right? Dogecoin became this cryptocurrency that was damn near worth $100 billion. You look at Shiba Inu, you had laughter up and down, left and right. Like, no, you're not going to duplicate Dogecoin's success. And look what they did. Turned somebody's $8,000 into $5.2 billion. And that's without even getting to a level of a penny or a dollar, right? So while you have these missions and you have these pushes to these positions, it's not alone. You think about it and you're like, oh, well, Dogecoin technically had Elon Musk, right? Shiba Inu had Vitalik that anytime, something Shiba Inu, he had Shiba Inu pajamas on, he's doing stuff to kind of indirectly say that Shiba Inu is a great position and it was created on the Ethereum chain, right? That's what it's all about. So when you get in contact with someone like Keanu Reeves in this position at which he owns half of the tokens or they're dedicated to Keanu Reeves, this is a huge deal. And whatever he wants to do with it, charitable purposes, burning it, whatever he wants to do with it, that's what could be done. And this is where you now have another like, oh, lightning in a bottle, Shiba Inu like moment where if this does and when this does happen, it ends up turning to a much bigger thing. So some exciting developments. I want to go into the actual detail before I get into the exciting developments that they do have here. But let's go ahead and look at their website again if you are not familiar with it. But PancakeSwap is live. So if you wanted to see the different detail of Shiba Keanu, you can see that here. Go over to PancakeSwap and you would be able to easily be able to see everything and trade for it if you truly wanted to. You can also, let's go back here and let's go to the website. What is Shiba Keanu? Shiba Keanu is a BNB based meme token combining Shiba Inu and Keanu Reeves. 888 trillion tokens exist, with 444 trillion entrusted to Keanu Reeves for charitable purposes. The community governs the tokens' future through a voting mechanism. Shiba Keanu is not endorsed by Keanu Reeves, but plans are in place for potential collaboration. The community is urged to indirectly engage with Reeves through social media, respecting his privacy. and our dedicated website page will detail Reeves token distribution or disbursements for charitable efforts. The project emphasizes community control and evolution over time. So I feel as though this is something that when you have that front runner, that person that kind of pushes everything forward, that's where this stands. And I feel like Keanu Reeves, one, has a ton of popularity. Shiba Inu has a ton of popularity. This project will have a ton of popularity so long they do get in contact with Keanu Reeves. I feel like it's all kind of predicated on that. And I feel as though they're doing so much to get into that, to kind of connect with Keanu Reeves. One would be just the message that's to Reeves. So, dear Mr. Reeves, we hope that this letter finds you well. It is with great honor that we reach out to you today. Shiba Keanu is a new cryptocurrency meme token that has recently been created by 4 charitable individuals. The Shiba Keanu project was founded upon a noble cause, and at the core of its fundamentals, we had to find an entrusted beneficiary for half of the tokens. The search was easy, and we have chosen you. Shiba Keanu blends crypto's favorite canine, Shiba Inu, with the world's most loved individual, you, which would be Keanu Reeves. And thus, Shiba Keanu was born. The Shiba Keanu community have entrusted you with half of the 888 trillion Shiba Keanu minted crypto coins, 444 trillion tokens to be managed by you personally or the foundation of your choice for the sole purpose of making a positive impact for those in need. The Shiba Keanu community, as well as our dedicated team, eagerly await your acceptance, and we can't wait to hear from you. We have so much to tell you about this project. Please reach out to us at info@shibakeanu.io. Sincerely, or yours sincerely, Shiba Keanu community and team. So they're really putting in these efforts in order to reach out to Mr. Reeves, and even so to where they have a $20,000 bounty to anybody who can personally deliver this message directly to him. So, like I said before, Dogecoin has Elon Musk all over it. Vitalik is all over Shiba Inu. You would have Keanu Reeves, who would be over Shiba Keanu. It was dedicated. This was made to where Keanu Reeves will be that front runner, will be that person to kind of move this along. So the community is fully committed, and back in June, a community member named Hiroshi attended a Dogstar concert in Amsterdam where Keanu is a band member. He met Reeves in a VIP setting, but wasn't able to film or hand over the letter directly to him. But that's not the end of it. A further attempt is coming up on the 20th of August, which already did happen, in Grand Rapids, Michigan, at another Dogstar concert. This time, YouTuber Crypto Wire, who is both an investor and an ambassador in Shiba Keanu, will be making an attempt. It is amazing how these guys are tracking Keanu globally. So this is where this development turns into something way bigger, to where it could truly get to a point to where you actually have him on board, or at least acknowledging the fact that he has 444 that's dedicated towards him to do whatever he wants with, and charitable purposes, of course, and just help out all the people that are in need, or anybody that he really wants to help out that is in need. So we do have some exciting news that is coming up about the project when it comes to Arch Motorcycle, and seeing Keanu Reeves as a co-founder of Arch Motorcycles, and how expensive these motorcycles are, of like $100,000 plus. So this is definitely something that's there. Um, let's see. So also the community is a big part of what happens with many of the project. If something needs to happen, community votes, community agrees, which does give this position and this community a lot of strength and a different type of strength where you don't have one overseer that's kind of doing everything. The community is kind of voting on that and believing within that project itself. Now, I do want to go into the actual project itself, and I'm hoping I can bring this up live by typing in Dex tools to show you guys everything that has happened with Shiba Keanu, because we see that the market has come back a little bit. So just always keep that in mind when we do get into this position. So I'm going to bring this up now. I can also bring it up on CoinMarketCap, which I feel like is always a better place to bring it up. But right now, where this stands is Shiba Keanu stands at a $239,000 market cap with a liquidity of $189,000. It has 750 holders within it. You're also looking at a total market cap of $1.22 million. Currently, you have about 20% that's in circulating supply. So this definitely, if we wanted to look at maybe the last 6 months, I guess we'll look at that because we really had the pre-sale within 5 months. If we look at all this information, we can see that it did increase here up to a 8.0 level before decreasing down here. You know, you saw what happened with everything in the market, and you see that continuation of that. And I would imagine in the altcoin season, you could see that pick up even more. The closer that they get to getting in contact with, Keanu Reeves, honestly, the farther that this can go. So I'm excited of what this can be. I'm excited for the 750 holders, and hopefully it grows to a lot more, 800, 1,000, 10,000, whatever. But it's about the journey, right? It's all about the journey. Obviously, when you do decide to either make the move or not make the move, make sure you do a lot of research for yourself in what it is and if you want to be a part of this community, and also if you want to be a part of the journey. I feel like that's a bigger picture for you, or a bigger thing for you to focus on, is more about the journey there, being a part of something that could be from the ground up, that could start out at a $239,000 market cap and turn into a $239 million market cap. Seeing a 100x return in your overall position would be amazing. It would be even better seeing 1,000x return up to $1 billion, and you never honestly know what is going to take off, what is going to make these moves. So definitely check it out. Do your own research into it. Make this investment if you feel as though it is something you want to be a part of, because it is a journey. And who knows if we actually got in contact with him. I haven't heard anything yet, but I want to know. I want to know if they're going to be in contact with him, what's going to be said, what's going to be done, where is the money going to go for charitable purposes, all of that stuff. I'm very interested in this storyline at this point. But guys, if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, feel free to check out that link down below, or all of the links down below, for Shiba Keanu. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.